I just marked where I'm going to cut my first access hole to fish these cords through. See me marking that out. Just getting all the power adapters plugged in for the monitors. Grab our zip saw and right through this plywood. Had to change the blade there. Cut one here at the bottom for the tower connection. Hit right on a stud down there, but it's not a big deal. And we'll fish 3 HDMI cables down to hook up to the desktop. You see my daughter cut through there. She was running the camera for some of this. Helping out. It was kind of a rainy day in the shop. You see her hand there. She'll also start turning the camera just to follow me around a little bit. You just watched me fish a power cord down there too. It's actually an extension cord. I wired this shop and failed to put a plug down where the lower part of that desk area was. Prior planning usually helps with that, so if I ever do this again, I won't forget that. I had to use some HDMI to monitor connection adapters there. Just getting them set up. The rest of this is basically just straight up computer hookup. Ran into a little issue on fitting that monitor. Because I used a flat to the wall mount and because of the monitors, the HDMI cable actually comes straight out, and there isn't really a way to put one of those 90-degree HDMI adapters on this because of the way the back of that monitor's set up. So you'll watch me here in a second. I'm just gonna take a hole saw, just drill a big hole back there so I can feed that portion of the HDMI cable straight through the hole and into the back of the monitor. Here I'm just setting them up there to work on all 3 monitors, making sure everything's working before I wrap this up. Here I am just drilling that hole, fish that cable right down through it, and just gonna be done with that. It's perfect. Sets right on there, hooks up. I ditched this power strip because it's just too bulky. Plug everything right into the outlets that I put in the wall there. Looks about perfect. Get them all set up here. Obviously got to clean that desk off. I got a mess there. Put everything away and then put the drawers back in the doors and give her a shot, see how she runs.